Hello, my name is Lucy Mariscal, and I will be sharing a presentation on French culture. French food is very elegant. Some examples are crepes, wine, and cheese. My favorite crepe is filled with Nutella and strawberries and covered with powdered sugar. Just like their food, French fashion is very elegant. It often sets trends for the rest of the world. An example of a famous French clothing brand is Chanel. They are also known for their elaborate costumes during holidays and festivals. The picture on this slide is a woman dressed for Carnival. Greetings are very important in France. In a lot of movies, you see people kiss each other on the cheek. In France, this is a normal greeting when seeing friends and family. They also enjoy celebrating their country and are very proud of their culture. Lastly, there are some very cool places to visit in France, like the Eiffel Tower. The most popular French religion is Roman Catholicism. Like many places around the world, French art, music, and architecture was influenced by the Catholic Church. A good example of this is the beautiful Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. Because many are Catholic, the French celebrate Catholic holidays, but July 14th is very special because it is the day they celebrate the beginning of the French Revolution. It is called Bastille Day because on this day, in 1789, the French people took over a prison called the Bastille. They also celebrate May Day, Carnival, and the Fête de la Massacre. The French helped the colonies win the American Revolution by sending soldiers, guns, and money. The U.S. has also been influenced by French food, fashion, and even hairstyling. The coolest thing the French have given us was the Statue of Liberty in New York City. It was given to us as a gift to celebrate 4th of July in 1884. Thank you for listening to my presentation.